Good evening. In today's session, we'll be discussing regarding Swachh Bharat Awards for the year 2020. Very recently, on October 2nd, on the eve of Bapuji's birth anniversary, these prizes have been given away by the Jal Shakti ministers. Which state got this? And what are these awards? We'll try to understand now. Point number one. Number two. After this, we'll also be discussing regarding India's rank in Global Innovative Index. Exactly is this? Where India is ranked now? Which country is ranked at the topmost position? All these things we'll understand. But the most important thing is that India is in the top 50 club. So this is a major achievement for India. And what is that rank? Everything we are going to understand. Let me straight away open the document and let's have a discussion. Look at this. The first question for today is, in Swachh Bharat Awards of 2020, which state won first prize in Samudaik Shauchalaya category? There are various categories in this particular, Swachh Bharat Awards. One category is the Samudaik Shauchalaya category. Which state won the first prize? Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh or Gujarat? Answer is option D, that is Gujarat. Look at this. These awards are given away by Union Jal Shakti Minister Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. He presented these awards on October 2nd, 2020. And look at this. There are three key categories of the awards. One is Swachh Sundar Samudaik Shauchalaya. Second one, Gandagi Mukt Bharat. And third one is the Samudaik Shauchalaya Abhiyan. Right? And look at this. With respect to, this particular one, I have already shown you the answer. Right? And if you look at the another one, in Gandagi Mukt Bharat mission, the first prize was won by two states. One is Telangana and the second one is Haryana. And also please remember, as far as these awards are concerned, these prizes are concerned, these prizes are given at the state level, district level, mandal level, that is block level, and also at the Gram Panchayati level. Now, how about your preparation for this? As far as the state level prize is concerned, the first prize, that is important for all the states, aspirants from any state in India, that is important for you in the examination. But when it comes to district, mandal and Gram Panchayat level first prizes, if that particular district, mandal or Gram Panchayati falls in your state, then that is important for you in your state service examinations. Otherwise, you may just leave it. Clear? So meaning is simple, for the purpose of examination, you have to remember, because you will be writing both the central examinations and state level examinations. Depending on that, the preparation levels will vary. Am I clear? That is the reason why you must be thorough with the regional topics. Right? Now, look at this. So as far as Gandagi Mukt Bharat prize is concerned, it was won by Telangana and Haryana. Next, another important one, National Sports University of India is in. This is first and only of its kind. This is located in Gwalior, New Delhi, Imphal or Chennai. You must be aware of this. This is located in option C, Imphal. Look at this. It's a sports university in Manipur. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi laid foundation stone for this university in March 2018. Look at this. This is the first and the only central university in India focusing on sports education. Sports is one of the very, 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 very important aspects. And as far as this particular one is concerned, this is important for the examination. Next, what is The rank of India in 2020 Global Innovation Index GII. In the beginning only I told you India is in top 50 club. So you can rule out option D. Option D cannot be the answer. It may be 38th, 42nd or 48th. Answer is option C. India secured 48th rank here. Look at this. As far as Global Innovation Index is concerned, this is an annual report of the countries ranked according to their innovations. And in this ranking, Switzerland has been placed at number 1 position, followed by Sweden, America, UK and Netherlands. Meaning these are the top 5 countries and India is ranked at 48th position. And please remember, this particular index is published by World Intellectual Property Organization. And this WIPO is one of the important or significant organizations under the United Nations umbrella. Right? So these are the points for today. I'll see you in the next class with more current affairs. Till then, I wish you all a very good luck. Take very good care. Thank you.